Hello friends, welcome back to Juby's Fusion. Today my son is going to make carrot halwa with the help of me. So let's get started. Here there is an extra ingredient which is going to make the halwa more tasty. So watch the video. He is grating the carrot. So friends, we are taking here 2 carrots. Grate them well and wash them properly. Slice and put it in a mixer. Grind them well. Now in a pan, add 2 tablespoons ghee and saute carrot well. Now add the milk. You can take half a glass of milk. Now let the carrot get mixed well with the milk. Now the secret ingredient which will make your carrot halwa more delicious and healthy, and that is banana. We have taken 1 banana and sliced it. Now we are going to add milkmaid. Mix well and at last add 1 teaspoon of sugar with cardamom powder to taste. So healthy and delicious carrot halwa is ready. Go and make it with your kids. They will surely like it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.